Before buying a ceramic tile floor cleaner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, ZEP Neutral pH Industrial Floor Cleaner. First up, we have the ZEP Neutral pH Industrial Floor Cleaner. Priced at $12.98, this one caught my eye because it's a bestseller with an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 7,500 reviews. If you want a cleaner that maintains polish without stripping your protective coatings, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cleaner is specially formulated to be neutral pH, which means it won't damage your tile or stone surfaces. It's great for a range of materials, including marble and granite, and it can make up to 128 gallons of finished product from just 1 gallon of concentrate. You won't need to rinse it either, which saves you time and effort. Honestly, this product is a dream for busy households or anyone tired of complex cleaning routines. Now, some people complained about the scent being a bit strong. Here's the thing though, it's a trade-off for that industrial strength cleaning power, and most people find that it dissipates quickly once it dries. If you're someone sensitive to odors, it might be worth testing on a small area first. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of flooring types in your home and want a multi-surface cleaner. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically for delicate surfaces or if you can't handle stronger scents. For the price, you really can't beat the value this cleaner provides. Now, if the scent issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Gugon Grout and Tile Cleaner. Next, we have the Gugon Grout and Tile Cleaner, which is priced at $7.70. What caught my attention here is its ability to tackle tough stains like mold and soap scum, and with a rating of 4.1 stars from 8,800 reviews, it's clearly a favorite for a reason. If you're dealing with stubborn grout and tile stains, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cleaner is designed specifically to remove built-up grime from your bathroom and kitchen surfaces effectively. It's safe for all tile surfaces, meaning no discoloration or damage, which is a common concern with certain cleaners. The spray application makes it super easy to use. Just spray, wait a few minutes, and rinse. This product genuinely surprised me with how quickly it tackled some of the grimiest areas in my home. Now, some folks mentioned it can take a bit of scrubbing for really tough stains. Here's the thing though, for those deeply set-in areas, a little elbow grease can go a long way, and it's much better than using harsh scrubs that might damage your tiles. This is perfect for you if you have neglected areas that need a deep clean. Skip this one if you want something that works with zero scrubbing effort required. For its price, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to refresh their tiles. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a no-rinse solution. Product number 3, Granite Goldstone and Tile Floor Cleaner. Coming in at number 3, we have the Granite Goldstone and Tile Floor Cleaner, priced at $9.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews, this cleaner promises a no-rinse solution for deep cleaning your floors. If you want to maintain the shine of your granite or marble without the hassle, this is worth checking out. This cleaner works by breaking down dirt and oils without needing a rinse, which means you can clean and go, saving you time. It's specially formulated for natural stone and ceramic surfaces, so you don't have to worry about streaks or damage, which is a common issue with other cleaners. Users rave about the streak-free shine, which is exactly what you need if you're particular about your floors. Now, some users pointed out that it's not as effective on really tough stains. Here's my take. For regular maintenance and light to moderate grime, this cleaner shines. But if you have heavy-duty stains, you might need a more potent formula for those tougher jobs. This is perfect for you if you prioritize convenience and have stone or ceramic floors that need regular upkeep. Skip this one if you have frequent heavy stains that require a stronger solution. For the price, it's a great choice for regular maintenance. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle various surfaces, the next one might just be what you need. Product number 4, Black Diamond Stoneworks Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner. At number 4, we have the Black Diamond Stoneworks Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner, priced at $29.98. This one stood out because of its eco-friendly formula and 4.3-star rating from 5,800 reviews. If you're looking for a cleaner that's safe around kids and pets, this is worth a serious look. This cleaner is designed to be gentle on all natural stone surfaces, which means it can clean without damaging or dulling your floors. With a no-rinse formula, it promises to leave your floors spotless without any residue, and that's a huge plus. The concentration is also impressive. Just 2.4 ounces per gallon gets you powerful results. Honestly, I was surprised at how little you need for such effective cleaning. Now, some buyers mention that it may be pricier compared to others on the list. Here's the thing, if you prioritize eco-friendliness and safety for your family, this investment might be worth it. Plus, a cleaner that goes a long way can balance out the price. This is perfect for you if you have kids or pets and want a safe, effective cleaner. Skip this one if you're looking for the cheapest option available. For its value, it's a great choice for environmentally conscious buyers. Alright, that brings us to our last product, which takes a slightly different angle. Product number 5, Black Diamond Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner. Finally, we have the Black Diamond Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner priced at $14.98. With a similar 4.3-star rating from 5,800 reviews, this cleaner offers a no-rinse concentrate solution. If you want something that's effective on multiple surfaces without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. It removes spills, stains, and dirt easily, making cleanup a breeze. The fact that it's eco-friendly and biodegradable is another bonus, especially for families. It genuinely surprised me how well it performed on various surfaces without leaving any streaks. Now, some users have noted that it might not tackle heavy stains as effectively as they'd like. Here's my perspective. For day-to-day cleaning, this is fantastic, but if you have tough messes, you might need to do a bit of extra work or use a more potent cleaner first. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable cleaner for regular maintenance. Skip this one if you frequently deal with tough stains that need special treatment. For the price, it's a solid option for versatile cleaning. So that wraps up our top 5 ceramic tile floor cleaners. To sum it up, the ZEP cleaner is fantastic for maintaining shine. Goo Gone excels at tough stains. Granite Gold is perfect for quick cleanups. Black Diamond Stoneworks is ideal for eco-conscious homes, and the regular Black Diamond offers versatility. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal.